Mr. Thompson, an elderly man, loved his garden. Every day he tended to his flowers and vegetables, finding joy in watching them grow. But after a bad fall, he could no longer care for his beloved garden. One morning, he heard the sound of laughter and chatter. Looking out his window, he saw the neighborhood children in his garden, weeding, watering, and planting. They had noticed the garden wilting and decided to help. Mr. Thompson's heart swelled with gratitude. He invited the children inside and shared stories of each plant and flower. The children visited regularly, and the garden flourished again. Mr. Thompson realized that while he had nurtured the garden, it was the kindness and community spirit of the children that truly made it bloom. He found new purpose in teaching them, and together they made the garden a symbol of their shared care and friendship.